Hello, Jake Poole here with your Dental Insiders Quick Tips with Firegang Dental Marketing. Today we're talking about why you're going to want to use remarketing for your dental office's marketing mix. Okay, first of all, remarketing is extremely powerful. Now remember, we're talking about when somebody comes to your practice's website and then they leave the website and go to other websites, maybe the next day or a few days later, and then they continue to see ads for your practice. So they go to your practice's website, and then as they travel around the internet, they see ads for your practice on other websites. This is very, very powerful. It's the latest and greatest in advertising technology, and it's extremely complicated, but very, very powerful. First of all, why is it powerful? Because not everyone is ready to call you. This is why you want to use remarketing. Many people, they go to your website for the first time, and they may have a toothache, but they're not ready to call. They may be looking around. And if you're able to stay in front of somebody after they go to your website the first time, they're going to be much more likely to call you because you're staying in front of them, you're staying top of mind. This means that you're able to have multiple touches for new patients. What does this mean? Well, they say psychologically and in advertising that you need to be in front of a patient 7 to 12 times roughly before they'll actually pick up the phone and give you a call or conduct some kind of action. So you need to be in front of them 7 times. Now, if they go to your website, that's once. Maybe they need to, let's say they need to see a billboard of you, or they need to hear a radio ad, or they need to open up a newspaper. Just kidding, no one uses newspapers. Maybe they need to see a Google ad. And once they see you 7 times, that's when somebody is much more likely to give you a call. So if you're using remarketing, you're able to have multiple touches to that new patient, and as they travel around the internet, you're able to get in front of them the second, the third, the 4th time with your ads. That means you're able to stay top of mind. So if I see your ad in day 1 and my tooth hurts, and then it kind of goes down, and then in day 2 it starts to hurt a little bit more, and then I see your ad, and in day 3 it's really starting to hurt, and then I've seen your ad for the 3rd day in a row, guess who I'm going to call? You're the dentist I'm going to call because you stayed in front of me with your advertising. And it's very cost effective. Because these people have already been to your website and you're only serving ads to people who know who you are, who have been to your website, that creates a very cost effective, cheap way to buy clicks, because you're only showing these ads a few times rather than a billboard where you're just showing the ad to anyone who's driving by. It's not a very effective way to run your advertising. So because it's cost effective and you're dealing with people who are already interested in your products or in your services, you have a huge ROI. So you're spending less, you're getting better clicks, and you're much more likely to have that new patient give you a call. Finally, you're able to cross-promote different services. So if I come to your site looking at implants, and then I'm also interested in cosmetic, you're able to show me cosmetic ads even though I only went to your implants page. So you're able to cross-promote your different services using ads, which also is very powerful. Before you go, I wanted to give you a quick offer. This is our best-selling book on Amazon. If you go to firegang.com/book, we'll send you a free copy of our book. We will handle the cost. You just have to handle the shipping and handling, but go to firegang.com/book for a free copy of our book. This has been Jake Poole with your Dental Insiders Quick Tip. Why use remarketing?